Hey there, and welcome to the Healthy Guide. Have you been wondering how to get fit, build muscle, and stay healthy without ever stepping foot in a gym? You're in the right place. Whether you're aiming for weight loss, increased strength, or just a better fitness routine, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, grab some water, find a comfy spot, and let's dive into the 10 essentials for training without weights. No gym? No problem. Let's get started and have some fun along the way. Discovering the art of calisthenics. First up, let's talk about calisthenics. It's a fancy word for bodyweight training that blends strength, balance, and functional movement. Imagine sculpting your body while mastering coordination, all without needing equipment. Plus, calisthenics gives you the freedom to get creative. Turn a park bench into your gym or use your living room floor to hone your skills. And here's the kicker. This type of training is so effective, even elite athletes swear by it. So, get ready to unlock the superhero version of yourself with nothing but gravity and determination. Bodyweight versus external resistance, a paradigm shift. Here's the thing, bodyweight exercises aren't just gym light. They're a powerful fitness method that emphasizes control and real-world strength. While lifting weights often isolates muscles, calisthenics focuses on total body integration. Think of it as becoming your own personal gym. Mastering push-ups, squats, and pull-ups doesn't just build muscle. It builds confidence, agility, and a mind-muscle connection that translates to daily life. Who needs a barbell when you can turn your entire body into a finely tuned machine? The language of movement. Foundational terms reimagined. Let's break it down. In traditional fitness, you might think of sets and reps. But in calisthenics, we also focus on progression and scaling. Can't do a full pull-up yet? No problem. Start with an easier variation and build up. The beauty here is in the journey. Every small win adds up to big results. And here's a fun challenge. Think of your training like leveling up in a video game. Each progression is a new boss to beat, and the prize is a stronger, more capable you. The power of precision in movement. Good form is everything. Not only does it help you avoid injuries, but it also ensures that every rep counts. Imagine doing a perfect push-up, your core tight, back straight, and elbows tucked. Feels powerful, doesn't it? That's because precision activates the right muscles, making your workout more effective. And here's a tip. Record yourself occasionally. Seeing your form can help you identify small tweaks to level up your technique and results. Your sanctuary for movement. Guess what? You don't need a fancy setup to crush your fitness goals. Your living room, backyard, or a quiet spot in the park can become your personal studio. The beauty of bodyweight exercises is their portability. Train anytime, anywhere. And if you like a bit of scenery, switch it up. One day you're squatting in your kitchen, the next, you're doing planks by the beach. Fitness isn't a place, it's a mindset. So, claim your space and make it work for you. Quick pause. Loving these tips so far? If you are, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Have you tried any of these ideas? Or are you learning something new? Don't forget to share this video with a friend who might need a little fitness boost. Oh, and stick around. I've got a surprise at the end, a free ebook, Healthy Eating on a Budget. Let's keep it rolling. Minimalist tools for maximum gains. While you don't need any equipment, adding a few minimalist tools can spice up your workouts. Resistance bands, a sturdy chair, or even a pair of old towels can challenge your muscles in new ways. Feeling adventurous? Grab some gymnastic rings or parallettes to master advanced moves like dips or levers. Remember, tools are just extras. Your body is the real MVP. So, whether you're using props or just the ground beneath your feet, you're set for success. Vision setting. Creating a purpose-driven fitness plan. Why are you training? For aesthetics, strength, or just to feel energized? Setting clear goals keeps you focused and motivated. Picture this. You want to do 10 pull-ups by summer. Break it down, start with negatives, then move to assisted pull-ups, and finally crush your goal. Whatever your reason, tie it to something personal. That way, every squat, push-up, and plank feels like a step toward your bigger why. Crafting your first movement flow. Here's where things get fun. Movement flows combine exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges into a seamless sequence. Think of it as your body's choreography. part strength, part endurance, and all coordination. Not only will it make your workouts more engaging, but it'll also improve how you move in daily life. Feeling inspired? Create your own flow and challenge a friend to try it too. Fitness should never be boring, and with movement flows, it never will be. The big three: push, pull, and squat variants unleashed. Push-ups, pull-ups, and squats are your bread and butter, but don't stop at the basics. Try incline push-ups, pistol squats, or even archer pull-ups to spice things up. These variations target different muscle groups and keep your body guessing. And remember, mastering these movements doesn't just build strength. It builds a rock-solid foundation for everything else. So, dive into the world of endless possibilities with these versatile moves. Building synergy, the art of a well-rounded plan. Fitness is more than just sweat. Balancing strength, mobility, and recovery is the secret to long-term success. Incorporate stretches, yoga poses, or foam rolling into your routine to stay flexible and injury-free. And here's a pro tip. Think of recovery days as part of your training. A strong, mobile, pain-free body is the ultimate goal, and synergy is how you get there. So, let's make every workout and rest day count. And there you have it, the 10 essentials for training without weights. Ready to take your fitness to the next level? Before you go, drop a comment below and grab my free ebook, Healthy Eating on a Budget. It's packed with a 7-day plan of delicious, affordable meals to pair perfectly with your new routine. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone ready to ditch the gym and embrace functional fitness. Thanks for tuning into the Healthy Guide. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving forward. See you next time.